the Swan microwave oven, model sm3080, delivered by AO.com. I had regular updates as to when it was going to be delivered, and the guy was quick and efficient and delivered on time at 7:30 AM. The microwave has a modern, stylish look that will fit in any kitchen. It is in chrome and silver. It's quite deep, so it will need quite a large surface. It doesn't fit direct at the back. It's quite far out, so it will stand out quite a bit. But other than that, a really good look, I think. Inside, got a large area space of 20 litres. It has 800 watt voltage. It's got the round plate, so all the food is cooked equally. You've got the dials there with the clock, the LED clock. As you can see, there are a number of different settings which can be used, as well as a quick start and a stop and cancel button as well. The quick start can be used by pressing the button in a number of seconds, so once, 30 seconds, a minute, and so on, and then the microwave will just start working on the rotating plate. The microwave is quite loud, but other than that, a really good finish and will fit in most kitchens nicely. There's a number of different settings, so you can change the speed and the timings depending on what you've got to cook, as well as the defrost. And we've got multi-stage cooking as well, depending on what different types of food that you're wanting to cook. All in all, I'm really happy with this product. It's great value for money, it does exactly what it needs to do, and it is stylish and modern.